This video is the continuation from its previous video. I suggest you to watch it before you watch this video. In the previous video, we learned how to calculate correlation in Excel. In this video, you are going to learn how to construct a scatter plot diagram in Excel. Using this hypothetical data, I am going to show you how to construct a scatter plot diagram in Excel. Scatter plot is a graph in which the values of two variables are plotted along two axes, the pattern of the resulting points revealing any correlation present. In order to calculate scatter plot diagram, first select the two variables and click Insert, click Charts and click on the first option. That's it. You got the scatter plot diagram. If you want to know how closely the data points are associated, click on the plus symbol appearing on the top right side of the diagram and click trend line. I hope you understand the concept. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.